Hello people, today I am just messing around with Ogre script. There is nothing really specific to what I'm doing. I'm just using this script and fucking with people. So yeah, Phoenix Hub is paid, so if you want to get it, links to their Discord down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using it and fucking with people. So that's it. So enjoy the video. Hello there. Hello. It is me. I got big titties. I got big titties. I got big titties. You don't have to speak English to understand I got big titties. Look at them bitches. Do you like? Yes or no? Do you like? I don't know. I don't know. I guess that means you like them. Shit. Okay, well, I guess I just fucking died then. Bro, what type of fucking demonic creature do you have circling around your body right now? What type of accessory is this shit? Look, bro. Like a fucking spirit. I know you got voice chat, girl. I need to show you something this instant. Come here with me. Come with me. Come with me. You need to see this. You need to see this. Come here. You're the only person in this lobby I can communicate with. I can't do none of that sign language typing shit. So you're gonna have to bear with me here. Come here. Alright. Now look. Why did it spawn me off the fucking map? I'm a fucking ogre. I'm an ogre. I got big ass titties, bro. Hey, what's going on? What's good? Get over there. Why is y'all dressed up like prostitutes, bro? Like Egyptian prostitutes. What the fuck is going on, bro? Like, I know who this is, but y'all dressed up like y'all better summon demons and shit. You trying to give the ogre a lap dance? Come on, I've been through enough, man. Come on, get the ogre a lap dance, bro. You know how like the fucking princess and the frog? You gotta give me a lap dance for me to turn back into my original form. Please, bro. Please, I need this. I got fucking cubes for arms, bro. Please, show me some mercy. No, bro. This man's just a... Oh, that's me. Don't worry about that. Hey, don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, man. Do I have a name? Can you see the name above my head? Do we need to call a doctor? Nah, I'm perfectly fine. I told you, you gotta give me a lap dance and I'll turn back into my original form. It's like the princess and the frog, bruh. But instead of a kiss, I gotta get a lap dance. It's just, I don't know, read the manual, bruh. It just says it.
I think the cat will do it.
It's basic knowledge, bro. If you see a frog, you gonna kiss it because like it's gonna turn back to human. Just how life works. Oh, I'm trying to get all up in that taco. I ain't gonna lie. Let me in here. Wait, bro, what the fuck? It's a surprise taco. Hell nah, bro. Oh, he getting in that taco, bro. That's a shared taco. You was welcome. Oh shit! Oh damn, he getting big as shit! Damn, sexy ass Slender Man. Hold on, let me get up there. Let me get up there. Oh my god. Hold on. Wait, is he playing the guitar or is this a rap battle? Bro, what the fuck? His feet touch me in the head. Oh my god. Bro. Is you just mad I got bigger titties than you? Let's be honest here. Let's be honest here, bro. Look at my shits. My shits are D cups. Them bitches sagging. Hey, bro, you like what you see? You like what you see, man? Damn, you getting all up on them. You trying to grab them? You better back up, back up. Oh my god. This man's like a dining table. Is this person running in place or am I lagging like a bitch?
Why are you making that noise? Oh.
Oh. I can't tell if I'm lagging or not. I think I'm fucking lagging. Oh my god. I got fucking kicked from the game.
Yeah, you're a big fan, I see it.
The website can't even be fucking reached!
Hey, come over here. Do you know who this
I
is?
hate fucking internet. I hate everything, bro. This is what happens when my mom takes my fucking Ethernet cord. Alright, well. Fuck YouTube. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Snaps. Okay, I'm in the video here.